Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. So today's video I'm going to actually show you a guide on how to actually sell your USDT on Bitget. So this is for those who are currently using Bitget. So if you're actually using Bitget, this will be a guide for you to actually sell your USDT, how to actually sell your USDT, right? So first of all, so what we have to go is to go over to the to Bitget platform. By the way, I'm going to leave the link in the description. So when you head over to Bitget, we just wait for it to actually open. So what you have to do next is to scroll over, scroll down here. Here you are going to actually see sell USDT, right? You can actually see it here. This is sell USDT, right? Now let me say you have 10 USDT on your Bitget account. So what you have to do first, we have to actually check out the rate, right? This is USDT NGN. We have to actually check out the rate to see how much we're actually going to be getting. 10 USDT. So input 10 USDT. So 2 USDT we are going to be getting 14,485.72, right? This is it. Now we are going to get 14,482. Then we actually come over here, we actually click on sell USDT. Now it's going to actually take us here. What we have to do next is to put in our email, right? You can actually see your email here. Put in your email. So let me actually say my email is, make sure you actually put in your real email, right? I'm just using this for tutorial. So on BP you can actually sell as low as 2 USDT, right? And what we actually planning on selling is 10 USDT. So we click on 10, we type 10. So the next thing you're actually going to say, where do you want to send your USDT, right? Then you click on choose. You can actually see the choose button there. So over here you're going to see options, right? And you're going to see Bitget. You're going to see Get.io. You're going to see via on chain. Now you click on Bitget because this is where you want to actually use. So you're actually using Bitget to actually sell your USDT through Bitget. So use Bitget, right? You click on Bitget, and the next thing we are going to actually send they say send USDT to the option you actually selected. So we actually selected Bitget. You can actually see the Bitget, and you can actually see the Bitget UID. So we are going to actually copy this Bitget UID here, right? And then we are going to actually send you the 10 USDT to the 10 USDT, which you actually type in here, to this Bitget UID, right? So we head over to the Bitget account. So guys, this is my back to the bigger account. Now the next thing you have to do is to click over here where they say assets, right? You come over here where they say assets, right? So when you click over here, right, you are going to actually go to where they say sports. You can actually click here. You can either click here, right, or you choose to actually click here, right, or it's still the same thing. You go to where they say sports. So when you go to where they say sport, you are going to actually find your USDT. If you have USDT that is currently available, if you have USDT that is currently available, you are going to actually see it right here. So you click on that USDT, and you, of course you can actually see here I have about I have 0 USDT. So you that actually have USDT, what you want to do is to come over to this withdraw. You are going to actually see a withdrawal in the downside, or you are going to see come over to this withdraw here. You click on this withdraw. So you are going to come over here and you are going to click on sorry guys, you are going to click on internal, right? You are going to click on internal transfer. When you click on internal transfer, it's going to show you actually sending through via email, phone number, or Bitget user UID. So you can actually see, you come over here, you click on Bitget user UID. Now what you have to do next is to come over here, right, and paste that UID which actually that UID which you actually copied, right? Come over here and paste it. Then you come over here, you put in $10. That is the $10 you actually selected, right? You put in $10 and you click on withdraw. So you can actually see this has zero fee. You're actually sending with zero fee. So you click on this withdraw, right? Now after you are done making the payment, you actually take a screenshot, and then let's go back to the BeamPay website. So when you are back on the BeamPay platform, what you have to do is to come over here, and then you copy and you put in payment proof, right? After putting in payment proof, you come over here, local currency, click here, alright, click here. So you are trading USDT / Naira, so you come over there and select that. Now how do you want to get paid? You come over here, you click on choose. Of course you actually get paid through bank transfer, right? You put on this, and next thing you put in your bank account detail here, right? So let me actually say UBA bank. UBA bank, for example, your account details are, let me say, just type any amount. Let me just type it for tutorial purpose. Then your name is, let me say, Williams, right? Williams, right? Then you come over here, input the code, input the promo code, the affiliate code is CB3234. If you have any affiliate code, right, you can actually input there. Then what you have to do next is to come over here where they say send, is to come over here where they say send fund my account to this support. So what I have to do is very simple. Now the next I'm going to do is to come over here and then copy this, send fund my account. Then you click on this support. If you click on this support, it's going to take you to WhatsApp. What you have to do is to just send this fund my account to the WhatsApp message, and then to the WhatsApp, right? And then you click on submit, right? And within like 10 minutes to about 12 minutes, you're actually going to be credited into your bank account, right? So that is it. For those who want to actually sell your USDT to Naira on the Bitget platform, make sure to share, guys. Peace.